Hello, I'm Russ Garfin. I've been a Winnebago product manager and an RV traveler for over 30 years. One of my favorite aspects of this job is getting out there and talking to other RVers, whether it be at rallies, trade shows, campgrounds, or even off the grid in the BLM, to hear about what they love about their Winnebagos and to get their detailed feedback. One key learning that we've gathered is that people love the spacious room of a C-body, but they want the rugged off-roading capabilities that some of our camper vans provide. And that insight sparked the all-new EKKO, which we launched late last year. And that model has been wildly successful, enjoying increasing demand, and this year we are now able to offer our pop-top option, which takes sleeping capacity from 2 up to 4 people. We built the EKKO for people who want to just get out there, but who might want just a little more room, a little more storage, and a little more comfort. And whether they're hikers, climbers, bikers, paddlers, even birders. And with the all-wheel drive, well, it can go a lot of places you wouldn't even take a regular motorhome. It's designed for off-the-grid stays. It features a 50-gallon fresh water tank, 455 watts of solar panels on the roof, and a second alternator on the engine that keeps the lithium battery pack charged up. It's also built for extended season camping. That means it's thoroughly insulated and all the water system is completely inside the coach, and that will protect it from freezing. The EKKO has even been gold certified for cold weather capabilities by the Truma Corporation. It has a big gear garage and plenty of other storage as well. So it's easy to take along just about whatever you need. And with the batwing awning and the optional exterior kitchen, you can comfortably enjoy the great outdoors, even when you're right there in the campsite. Now, with the pop top, we've doubled the sleeping capacity. That makes it ideal for a family or a group of 4, or just about anyone who just wants more sleeping space. So if you like the EKKO, but you need more sleeping space, well, the EKKO pop top is the ticket. It's roomy, it's capable, and it's in an all-wheel drive motorhome that drives like a camper van. There's really nothing else like it on the market.